Travels with Wyss.
Why every caravan should have gas, even if you think you don't need it. Now, everyone's going all electric nowadays, lithium, induction, no gas. And here's the truth, after 25 years in the industry, getting rid of gas completely could be the biggest mistake you make. I've built caravans, designed them, repaired them, and lived with them. And today, sales pitch, just real world experience. I'm going to show you why having at least some gas on board could save your trip, your money, and in some cases, your safety. Look, power fails, gas doesn't. Here's the first reality. Electric systems do fail. Batteries go flat, inverters trip. Solar it can't keep up with clouds and shade and wintry skies. But gas doesn't care about clouds or your battery percentage. Gas is your backup when everything else lets you down. So, cooking reliability. Let's talk cooking, because induction is high power draw. It needs a big inverter and big battery. And when your battery drops, you're not cooking anything. But with gas, you got instant heat anytime, anywhere. In fact, cooking experts prefer cooking on gas. So here's the punchline. No power, no problem. Gas, water and heating security. Cold night, remote location, no power. What happens? Diesel systems can fail. Electric hot water systems need power. But a simple gas system, that'll still give you hot water and heat. Now, I've seen trips ruined over something as simple as no hot water. Instant hot water is the most efficient system you can have. True off-grid capability. Everyone says off-grid, but most setups are only battery dependent. That's not true independence. True off-grid means redundancy. Electric plus gas. Multiple system backup options. Redundancies. So the bush doesn't care about your lithium setup. Now we've got the cost versus benefit, and that's the part no one talks about really. Adding a small gas system is cheap insurance. Bottle plus regulator, simple cooktop or backup. But removing gas completely, that can cost you thousands to upgrade electricals just to compensate. When there's no gas, well, that doesn't make sense. Now, let's be fair. There are cases where no gas works. Full-time powered sites, massive lithium setups, minimal cooking, short trips, and it doesn't mean no venting. We need venting if you've got gas inside the caravan, but you can have gas appliances outside. So if you've got it outside, well, your van doesn't need to have dust reduction. It can be sealed up really well. And that's not how most Australians travel. The truth. After 25 years, the best setups I've seen are not all electric. They're balanced. Electric for convenience, gas for reliability. Now, because things go wrong out there, and they always do, simple always wins. So if you're planning your next van build, be careful before you delete gas. If you want real world advice, not sales talk, subscribe, because that's exactly what I do. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, but most importantly, comment. I want to hear your views.
Wyss.